In this video, I'm going to show you how you can troubleshoot Asphalt 8 game not working. So if you are experiencing any challenge with your game app, maybe the app can't open, or it is too slow, or it keeps on crashing, then use any of these methods to fix this problem. Should you find this helpful, please like and subscribe. Now to get started, you need to go ahead and access the Asphalt 8 app info page. To do this, just long press on your app and you should see app info here. If you can't see app info, you should see a settings gear or even the name of the app. Just tap on it and you'll be taken to the app info page. At this point, we need to go ahead and clear the app data, especially cache data. So if I go to storage here, now you can see a breakdown of data stored or used by this app. Of importance is this cache data. When you talk of cache data, these are just small files that your Asphalt 8 game collects and stores to enhance user experience. But the problem is when these files accumulate, they might cause your app to malfunction. To fix this, go to clear data down below and choose clear cache, then OK. And as you can see now, we have our cache data and part of user data wiped. From here, start your smartphone and then go to your app and it should be now working. Should this still fail, then go to clear all data here and then OK. And now here you have to note that your game settings will be reset, so you'll have to start afresh. So in most cases, this should be able to fix any issues with your app. However, if you're still experiencing any challenge, then head over to Google Play Store here and find out if we have any update, and then update this app to the latest version. By updating your app to the latest version, you'll be able to fix any issues or any errors associated with your Asphalt game app. But should this not work, then you need to go ahead and uninstall this game, then install it afresh. By uninstalling this game, you'll be able to completely remove or clear bugs that might be associated with this car racing game. Once you have now installed it, you should be able to play it without any issue. So by using any of these methods, now you should be able to get your app running without any issue. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.